To post a job on Upwork, you need to start by creating a client account, making sure not to use a freelancer account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, click on Post a Job and choose whether you're looking for a long-term or short-term project. You'll then need to write a title for your job post that accurately reflects the task at hand, including relevant keywords such as video editing or video recording. For example, a title might be Create 4 to 6 minute comparison videos. Upwork will automatically suggest a job category based on your title, but you can choose from a range of categories and specialties to find the best fit for your project. In this case, the category is Design and Creative, and the specialty is Video Production. Once you've selected your category and specialty, you'll need to enter the skills required for the job, such as video editing, creating explainer videos, and language proficiency. You'll also need to specify the video file format you require, although this may not be crucial for every project. Next, you'll need to outline the scope of work, including the estimated duration of the project and the level of experience required from the freelancer. You'll also need to decide whether this is a potential full-time job or not. After that, you'll need to set a budget for the project, either by specifying an hourly rate or a fixed price. Since the payment will be made per video, a fixed price is the most suitable option. The most important part of the job posting is the description, where you can provide detailed information about the project and what you're looking for in a freelancer. To ensure that applicants have read the description carefully, it's a good idea to include a specific instruction, such as including a particular word in their application. You can also attach relevant files, such as examples of the type of video you're looking for, and request that applicants provide their portfolio. Once you've completed the job posting, you'll start receiving proposals from freelancers, and you can review their applications and portfolios to find the best fit for your project. After selecting a freelancer, you can hire them and begin working on your project. Overall, posting a job on Upwork is a straightforward process that requires careful consideration of the project requirements and a clear description of what you're looking for in a freelancer.